Good morning, dear student. Today we will start our new topic. The topic's name is modal. Modal is a very good topic for understanding, and sometimes it confused to the student. So pay attention on the modals very attentively. First of all, we know about modals. Number one, modal word has generated from the word mood. So, modal is generally used according to the subject's mood. Modal is an independent verb on which is no effect of any subject, person, gender and numbers. It is used as a helping verb always use first form of the verb after using any modal. I mean, remember, never use modal. After modal, never use as a verb. V2, V3, V4. I think we should always use first form of the verb after modal. This is very important rule to understand all of you. What? कि after modal we should never use V2, V3, V4. But always use after modal V first. Let's remember. Generally, there are 13 modals. And now, I want to understand verb chart. This verb chart tells you everything openly. Verb. There are two kinds of verb. Auxiliary verbs and ordinary verbs. Auxiliary verbs means helping verbs. Helping verbs, there are two kinds of principal verb and modal HVs. You can say HV are auxiliary verbs, that's principal verbs. Principal HVs are, there are three kinds of principal HVs we do have. Beach 5 HVs, do is 3 HVs and have is 3 HVs, and total is 11 principal HVs. And modal HVs, modal auxiliary verbs are 13. There are totally 13 HVs, I mean 13 modals. You can see can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would, must, ought to, need not, used to and dare not are there. Auxiliary verbs. And now we read first modal. We have to understand the first modal's rule. The first modal is use of can. Can means sakna. It is used for present ability, present capability, capacity, power, strength, general possibility, puzzlement, and informal permission. For these qualities, can is used. Can is a present form. Example, Sita can talk in English. Sita can talk in English. Talk is we first, I mean first form of the verb. So I had previously told you after modal we should use we first. So talk is we first. And Sita can talk in English. Sita has ability. Sita is able to talk in English. So in this sentence, ability shows. Ram is number second example. Ram is rich one, so he can buy one more new car. In this sentence, capability, samarthata. Ram is rich one. In other sense, Ram is so rich that he can buy one more new car. Capability shows. I can lift 50 kg weight, power. In the sentence, power. I have power to lift 50 kg weight. And number 3 example. Anybody can make mistake. General possibility. Theoretical possibility. Anybody can make mistake. This is general possibility. Because it can happen with anyone. So it is general possibility showing in this sentence. I think you will understand very well from this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.